Walk through a situation with me that I've seen countless times. We have a YouTuber we'll call Jake. Jake has an extremely fascinating faceless channel. Despite his compelling content, Jake felt disheartened as he struggled to gain more views. Determined to break through, he embarked on a quest to find the secret to YouTube's success. Despite his determination, no matter how much free content he watched, Jake couldn't crack the code to increase views on his faceless YouTube channel. Frustrated but not giving up, he turned to you for help. Jake has now turned to you, his faceless family, for your valuable advice and support. What strategies, tips, or tools do you recommend to boost his channel's visibility? Your insights could be the missing piece to his YouTube puzzle. Jake might not be that different from you or someone you know. Fortunately, this channel is here to help people like Jake. And you too. Hey faceless family, welcome to Debt Busters. What advice would you give Jake? How would you help him grow a thriving YouTube channel? I know you're eager to make money on YouTube, but feel uncertain about whether your videos will go viral. Well, I have good news for you. In this video, I'm going to share a simple strategy that can help you achieve fast results on YouTube. A few weeks ago, I told you guys that I was slowing down for the summer and that I'd be back with something big. Well, here it is. We're introducing our exclusive YouTube content creation course, Cash Cow Channel Builder, designed to help you turn your passion into profit. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, this course has got you covered for less than $1 a day. The first 100 people to enroll can use the code EARLIESTBIRD25 to get a 25% discount on our already very low price. Click the link in the description for more information. Number 1, the power of similar metadata. Now, you might be wondering, what on earth is similar metadata and how can it possibly impact the success of my YouTube channel? Well, fear not. I'm here to unravel this secret and show you how it can revolutionize your content creation journey. First and foremost, let's talk about what metadata actually is. In the world of YouTube, metadata refers to the essential information that describes your videos. It includes the title, description, and tags that you provide when uploading your content. This might seem like a mundane aspect of video creation, but trust me, it holds the key to unlocking immense potential for your channel. Imagine this. You've spent countless hours crafting a video that you believe will be a game changer. It's well edited, informative, and downright entertaining. You hit that upload button, eagerly awaiting the flood of views, likes, and subscribers. But alas, the video barely gains traction, and you're left scratching your head wondering what went wrong. Does this scenario sound familiar? Well, my friend, you're not alone. Many aspiring creators face this predicament, and the reason often lies in the lack of a well-defined metadata strategy. You see, the YouTube algorithm is constantly analyzing and understanding the content of your videos to match them with relevant viewers. And how does it do that? Through metadata. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter, similar metadata. Picture this scenario. You have a channel that focuses on travel vlogs, and your recent video is all about exploring hidden gems in Bali. You carefully craft a captivating title, an engaging description, and relevant tags like #TravelBali, #Hidden Gems Bali, #Bali Vlog, and so on. The video performs well, garnering a decent number of views and positive feedback. Feeling victorious, you begin planning your next travel vlog, this time in Tokyo. Excited about your new adventure? You create a fresh set of metadata for the Tokyo vlog, including a catchy title like Lost in Tokyo's Wonderland and tags like #TravelTokyo, #Japan Vlog, #Tokyo Exploration. But herein lies the problem. While your new video is top-notch and showcases Tokyo's beauty impeccably, you unknowingly broke the chain of similar metadata that could have continued your success from the Bali vlog. Instead of maintaining consistency with your previous video's metadata, you created an entirely new set, leaving the YouTube algorithm confused and less likely to suggest your Tokyo vlog to viewers who loved your Bali vlog. So, what's the solution? To harness the power of similar metadata, you need to create a set group of tags and keywords that you consistently use across all your videos within a particular niche or subcategory. In our example, if your channel revolves around travel vlogs, stick to a specific set of tags that define your content, such as #TravelVlogs, #Wanderlust, #AdventureSeeker. These tags become your signature, guiding the algorithm to understand your niche better and suggesting your videos to relevant viewers. But wait, you might ask, doesn't using the same metadata for every video make them sound repetitive and uncreative? That's a valid concern. While similar metadata relies on consistency, it doesn't mean you sacrifice uniqueness and creativity. Each video should still have its own specific title, description, and tags that accurately describe its content. For instance, let's say your travel vlog is all about exploring the vibrant streets of Bangkok. Your similar metadata could include tags like #travel-vlogs, #Bangkok exploration, #Thailand adventures. However, your video-specific metadata could include a captivating title like Unveiling Bangkok's Hidden Charms and a description that shares personal anecdotes, highlights the best spots, and sparks excitement in viewers. By blending consistency and individuality, you create a harmonious balance that enhances your chances of engaging viewers and keeping them hooked on your channel. Remember, it's all about establishing your brand within your niche. Now, some creators might worry that relying on similar metadata could stifle their creativity or limit their potential reach. However, the opposite is true. When you consistently use specific tags and keywords, you build what I call viewership bridges. Picture these bridges as pathways that lead from one of your videos to another, keeping viewers immersed in a captivating loop of content. Here's how it works. When a viewer discovers one of your videos through search or suggestions and finds it informative and enjoyable, they might want to explore more of your content. Since your videos share similar metadata, the algorithm will suggest another one of your videos as the next logical choice. And guess what? A certain percentage of viewers will click on that suggested video, starting a chain reaction of views and engagement. It's like having your own personal army of loyal viewers, constantly exploring your channel and driving up your watch time and session time. And you know what YouTube loves more than anything? Yep, you guessed it, session time. The longer you keep viewers on YouTube's platform, the more YouTube rewards you with increased visibility, more subscribers, and the potential to go truly viral. But Keith, you ask, what about those creators who upload a wide variety of content, like comedy sketches, travel vlogs, and cooking tutorials? How can they use similar metadata when their content is so diverse? An excellent question. For creators with diversified content, similar metadata can be adapted by creating metadata groups that correspond to different themes or series within their channel. For instance, if you run a channel with comedy sketches, travel vlogs, and cooking tutorials, create separate, similar metadata for each category. This way, viewers who are interested in your travel vlogs will be guided to more travel-related content, and the same applies to your other themes. The power of similar metadata lies in its ability to build viewer loyalty, enhance engagement, and create lasting viewership bridges. Embrace consistency within your niche while still allowing room for creativity and uniqueness in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. By mastering the art of similar metadata, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the secrets of going viral on YouTube. Number 2, embrace the power of saturation. Now that you understand the magic of similar metadata, let's address another common concern, the fear of saturation. Many creators shy away from competitive niches, assuming that too much competition will drown their videos in a sea of content. But my friend, I'm here to tell you that saturation can actually work in your favor. Think about it this way. In a saturated niche, there's already a substantial audience hungry for content related to that topic. By entering such a niche, you position yourself to tap into an existing pool of viewers who are actively searching for videos like yours. It's like joining a bustling marketplace where potential customers are already browsing the shelves. Now, I won't deny that competition can be fierce, but that's where your creativity and dedication come into play. The key is to stand out from the crowd by offering unique value and a fresh perspective. Take inspiration from successful channels in your niche and analyze what works well for them. Then add your own twist, personality, and insights to create content that shines amidst the competition. Remember, saturation doesn't mean every successful angle has been explored. There's always room for innovation, especially if you consistently produce high-quality, engaging videos. Think of saturation as a sign of demand and interest in your niche. Embrace it, embrace the challenge, and strive to become the go-to creator for your audience. Moreover, YouTube's algorithm favors channels that can retain viewers' attention and keep them on the platform. So if your content delivers value and captivates your audience, YouTube will reward you by recommending your videos to more viewers. And that, my friend, is how you thrive in a saturated niche. Ultimately, whether your niche is saturated or not, what matters most is the quality of your content and your ability to connect with your audience. So don't let the fear of competition hold you back. Embrace the power of saturation, leverage it to your advantage, and showcase your unique talents to the world. Remember, every successful journey on YouTube begins with taking that first step. So step into the spotlight, claim your space in your niche, and let your creativity and passion shine. Success may not come overnight, but with dedication, persistence, and the right strategies, you can make your mark and carve out a loyal audience that eagerly awaits your next creation. Number 3, finding unlimited video ideas. Now that you're armed with the power of similar metadata and ready to embrace saturation, let's dive into the next crucial aspect of growing your YouTube channel, finding unlimited video ideas that resonate with your audience. As a content creator, coming up with fresh and engaging topics can sometimes feel like a daunting task. But fear not, for I have a simple and effective method to help you discover a treasure trove of video ideas that can attract lots of views. To start, let's tap into the wealth of knowledge that YouTube itself holds. By conducting keyword research, you can unearth valuable insights into what viewers are actively searching for within your niche. The secret here lies in understanding the language and phrases your audience uses to find content like yours. To perform keyword research effectively, you can use various online tools and platforms that offer valuable data on popular search queries. By knowing what keywords are trending or have high search volume, you can tailor your content to align with your audience's interests. But that's not all. In addition to keyword research, another excellent source of video ideas lies within the YouTube platform itself. Simply search for your niche on YouTube and filter the results to show videos uploaded within the last 6 months with at least 50,000 to 100,000 views. These videos indicate what's currently popular and resonating with viewers in your niche. Subscribe to big channels within your niche and use tools like VidIQ to gain deeper insights. VidIQ allows you to install a training tab on every channel page, giving you access to videos with the highest views per hour. This shows you content that consistently performs well over time, giving you a valuable source of inspiration for your videos. Remember, finding video ideas is not about copying or replicating other creators' content. Instead, it's about gaining inspiration and understanding what appeals to your target audience. Use these insights as a springboard to create your unique take on the topics that are relevant and trending within your niche. In conclusion, discovering unlimited video ideas is possible when you blend keyword research with insights from successful videos within your niche. By understanding your audience's search behavior and keeping an eye on what's currently popular, you can ensure that your content remains fresh, relevant, and appealing to your viewers. So, equip yourself with the power of knowledge, stay curious, and explore the vast array of video ideas waiting to be uncovered. And with your creativity and passion as your guide, you'll be well on your way to growing your YouTube channel like never before. Let's check back in on Jake and see how he's doing. With your unwavering support and insightful suggestions like similar metadata, embracing saturation, and unlimited video ideas, Jake's faceless YouTube channel began to transform. Armed with your valuable feedback, he implemented new strategies, optimized his content, and fine-tuned his approach. As weeks passed, Jake witnessed a remarkable surge in views. His engaging storytelling and data-driven improvements captured the hearts of a rapidly growing audience. With each upload, the sense of community around his channel deepened. Grateful for the viewers' role in his success, Jake continued to involve them in his creative journey. Together, they celebrated milestones, explored fresh ideas, and embarked on thrilling collaborations. Jake's once struggling channel had evolved into a flourishing platform where creativity knew no bounds. With the viewers' steadfast encouragement and guidance, his faceless presence became a symbol of inspiration for aspiring content creators worldwide. In this collective triumph, Jake learned that true YouTube success lies not only in content, but in the genuine connections forged with a caring and supportive audience. And so, his extraordinary tale of growth and achievement continued, with his viewers by his side, making every moment count. Implement the power of similar metadata, embrace saturation, and find endless video ideas to keep your channel thriving. Remember, success on YouTube is not just about luck, it's about understanding the platform, your audience, and leveraging proven strategies. So don't wait any longer. Start creating amazing content and watch your YouTube journey unfold. In the next video in this series, I'll show you how to make money on YouTube without making videos. If you see a video on your screen, that means the second video is already up. Click it and check it out. I hope you got a ton of value from this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.